Hello friends, great morning, great evening to all of you. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Arushi Wadke and now I'm studying in 9th standard. And today we have the topic of newspaper. Newspaper. The meaning of newspaper is that the news are present in that paper is called the newspaper. Because if the newspaper is read by us, so we can get the importance and uses of this newspaper. Newspaper most important part of our life in day to day life, because the newspaper gives us much more information about the politics and about much more things, and about also the latest news in our world or in our India or in our country also. Newspaper is a thing. Newspaper is a thing due to which we can get the information about anything. And newspaper also in much more language, not only in Marathi language or not only in English language, but also newspapers are present in every language. So newspaper is most important. And the uses of newspapers is that if we read newspaper, so we can get we can get the information. It is good. And also due to the reading, our vocabulary also increases and our reading skill also increases, so that is also important. So reading newspaper is important to us. And newspaper have not any losses of it, because it is not harmful for our eyes, and not anything is harmful to us due to newspaper. And in this era, the place of newspaper is taken by TV and mobiles, that we know. So what can you say about it?
I also appreciate you with you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kiran Shivaji Kharse. I am learning in 8th class. So today our topic is newspaper. So you tell that newspaper give us information. So I also appreciate with you. But every person in our family also, every person read newspaper. So this is very beneficial for us and in our our family person, that if in newspaper lots of news is present is beneficial for you. If we read newspaper, so we know what is happening in our surrounding, so this is very beneficial for you. Newspaper is not a paper, but on the paper lots of things is present is learnable. News many news are present which is good for us and our career also, that you see every person in our day to day life. Newspaper is our daily need, that we watch TV regularly, so and we read newspaper regularly. So newspaper is our daily need, and reading newspaper is very beneficial for us. If we read newspaper, so our reading skill improves. And in newspaper lots of things is present. Newspaper only not present in our India, and not present in our India, that and other countries newspaper is present. That newspaper is a very important part in our every person life. So reading newspaper is very important for us and our family person also. Newspaper help us in our studies, that UPSC MPSC student read newspaper, because of they know that in the newspaper lots of things is learnable for their examinations. And this is help the news is help them. Reading newspaper is beneficial for in our study also. So now what can you say about it?
So that you tell the, I totally appreciate with you, because newspaper is most important for us, because it is if it is read by us, so we can get this knowledge. And you also told that UPSC and MPSC student reads newspaper, because they have the need of newspaper, because in the newspaper many news are present. And in the examination of MPSC and UPSC, the questions are related to our India's news or our India's history. So that's time they need the newspaper. And in the modern era, the place of newspapers is taken by TV and mobiles. because in the TV are also we watch big because in the newspapers we have we only read the newspapers, but in the mobile we listen and we also watch the news. So that's time in that period we only news see on mobiles or TV. So that is harmful for us because if we watch news on TV and mobile, it is harmful for our eyes. And due to the loud
Hmm.
due to the loud sound, it is also harmful for our ears. So what can you say about
I
it?
also appreciate with you. You tell that TV is if we listen newses on the TVs and watch news on TV, so this is very harmful for us. That the TV's rays effects on our eyes. This is very harmful for our eyes and our study also. Uh, and newspaper are very useful that people make different things from newspapers. Art and crafts in the art and craft, lots of people use newspaper to making others new creative things. Newspaper is a very beneficial for us and our career also. Newspaper help us in our every works. Due to that, but due, in the era TV, lots of people watch TV and mobile, and lots of people watch newses on TV and mobiles. But this is harmful for our eyes. In our day-to-day life, newspaper is a very beneficial for